Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. In this video, we are going to solve Acet September 2019 question paper which just happened a few days back. So let us begin with our question paper, and in this paper we are going to solve the data interpretation section, which is a very important part of the examination. So let us begin here. In this part we are going to solve questions starting from 49, where we have solved the previous questions in our previous videos. So here we have a passage before the question. So let us go through this. In an engineering college, 3 program languages are taught. Each student is required to study at least one of these 3 languages, which are C, C++, and Java. Okay, so in a college there are 3 programming languages. Those are C, C++, and Java, and each student is required to study at least one of these 3 languages. And here we have some data about the students studying these 3 languages, where 40 students study all the 3 languages. So 40 students are there who study all the 3 languages. Now we have 404 students study only Java, 222 students study only C, 500 students study C++, and not only C++, it's just said that 500 students study C++. Now we have 114 students study both Java and C, and 388 students study only C++. Answer the questions 49 to 51. So let us first represent this passage in our simpler way, which can be done by using a Venn diagram. So let us first draw a Venn diagram and represent this data in a Venn diagram. So here we have a circle for each language. Now this is for the other language, and this is for the third language. So as you can see, we have 3 circles for each of the language representing each language. Now just let's name this and put on the data in this Venn diagram. So starting from here, we let this circle represent Java, let this circle represent C, and let this circle represent C++. So starting from the first, we have 40 students study all the 3 languages. So all the 3 languages means this whole Venn diagram, 40 students consisting of this whole Venn diagram, whereas we have 404 students studying only Java. Only Java means this part, so this is 404. Now we have 222 students study only C, so 222 is this part. Then we have 500 students study C++. So 500 students means this circle is completely of 500. Then we have 114 students study both Java and C++. 114 students both Java and C. Okay, not C++ but C. So basically this represents this part. This complete part is represented by 114. So let me clear this area because we need the more inside data. So basically we will remember that this part is consisting of 114 students. Then we have 388 students study only C++. So here we have 388. And so first also we can represent here 40 students study all the 3 languages. So the common place of all the 3 languages is this part, so we will write 40 over here. Now we do not know individually whether Java and C only, or C++ and C only without Java, or else this C++ and Java only without C. So we don't know these parts, so we will represent them as letters A, B, and C. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. But whereas we know that 114 students study both Java and C. So you can see both Java and C means A and 40. So A plus 40 is equal to 114. So from here we can find our value to A, which is equal to 114 minus 40, which is 74. So we know our value of A, which is 74. So we can write it over here, which is students who study only Java and C but not C++. So this is 74. Now let us move on to our questions. So here we have first question is, how many students study exactly 2 programming languages including C++? Okay, we need to find number of students studying 2 programming languages including C++. So here we have C++, and 2 programming languages means this part and this part, so which is B and C. So total will be B plus C, and for C++ we have one more knowledge. Here you can see 500 students. So you can see that 500 students study both studies total C++. So from here we can find the value of B plus C, which is equal to, okay, so first we can tell that 500 total. So 500 is consisting of this 388 plus this B 40 and C. So this will be B plus 40 plus C. So from here we can find B plus C, which is equal to 500 minus 388 minus 40. So our answer will be 72. So B plus C is 72. Hence our answer, which is option number D, 72, is the correct answer to this question. So moving on to the next question, which is question number 50. So you can see in question 50 that it says, what is the number of students studying exactly two languages? So exactly two languages means our A part, which is 74, B and C. So these three are the exactly three languages which students are studying. So our answer here will be A plus B plus C, because we will not consider 404, which is only, which are the students studying only Java, 222 are the students studying only C, and 388 are the students studying only C++. So, but here you can, and also you can see that 40 students are studying all the three languages. So we will consider only the students who are studying two languages, which is A, B and C, where the value of A we know is 74, and from B plus C, which was B plus C over here, which was 72. So 74 plus 72 will give us 146. So 146 are the correct number of students who are studying exactly two languages, which is option number B. So option B will be the correct answer to this question. Now moving on to the next question. Here we have question number 51, which says, if the number of students studying the Java language is 568, then what is the number of students studying the C language? So Java is 568. So what you can see over here is 568 is consistent of 404, 74, 40 and B. So 568 is consistent of 404 plus the value of A, which was 74, plus 40 students who are studying all the three languages, plus B. So from this we can easily find the value of B, which will be 568 minus 404 minus 74 and minus 40. So this will come out to be 50. So 50 are the number of students studying only Java and C++, but not C, which is the value of B. So here we know B. Now we need to find the number of students studying the language C. So we need to find the total number of students studying in this circle. From this we can see that we have the number of students studying only C, which is 222. So here we have 222, plus we have the number of students studying Java and C, which is 74, but not C++, plus we have 40 students studying all the three languages, plus we have C, which is the number of students studying C and C++, here C. So basically this will be our correct answer, but we do not know the value of C yet. So from here we can say that here we have 222 plus 74 plus 40 plus, okay, so for C, as you can see over here, we have 72 equal to B plus C. So B plus C is 72, and from here we have found the value of B, which is 50. So easily we can say that here we have, in place of C, here from here we can say C is equal to 72 minus B, which is equal to 72 minus 50, which is 22. So the value of C is 22, hence we will write 22 over here, and the answer will be 222 plus 74 plus 40 and plus 22, which will give us 358. So the total number of students studying C language is 358, and in options you can see option number C says 358. So option C is the correct answer to this question. So I will like to end this video here. You will find more solutions to Acet September 2019 question paper in our further videos.